Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to lesson 3 of M1 Math. So today we're going to start into the addition of integers. Addition meaning adding numbers. Boa. Okay, adding numbers, but we will be adding positive and negative numbers. Okay. So let's get in and look at some examples. So it's M1 Math lesson 3. Okay. So let's start super easy. Addition. Addition, we also would name it add, ADD, and you might also hear the word the sum. Okay? This means plus, more. Okay? We could also say plus if we wanted to. Okay, so if we were to do nice, easy ones, as I'm sure you can all do, you've done these many, many times before. Let's say we had 6 plus 7. Oh, is this difficult? Yakme, difficult? No. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay. So now when we do these, we want to do these using, we want to try and use a number line. Okay, so if we have a number line here, and let's pop a few numbers on there. Okay, we don't have to start from 0. Let's say we start here at number 4, 5, put them under 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We go up to 16. Okay, so we want to show this. We want to show this on the number line. Okay, so how do we do that? So first we look at our first number, 6. Okay, so our first number, we're going to start here at the number 6. Okay, this is our start point. Okay, number 6. Now we're going to add 7. Add 7. Now, if we remember from when we looked at the number line before, we go up, it's getting bigger, right? Getting larger. Yaikun. Okay. So that means getting bigger, this is going to be plus. Okay, we go this way for plus. So we're going to start at number 6 and we go plus 7. So it's going to get bigger by 7. So we're just going to bounce up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we end up here at number 13. So number 13. Okay, let's go to the next question. Next question, we'll jump down here. We're going to have, let's start with a negative number. We're going to have negative 5 plus 7. Okay, negative 5 plus 7 equals. Does anybody know what this is equal to? Anybody from the top of their head? No? Well, let's try. Let's use the number line to find it. Let's try with our number line. Okay, so here's our number line. Let's make it a bit thicker. Okay, there we go. A nice big thick number line. And let's put some numbers on it. Again, for all of you, please remember, be writing this down. Take your notes, as you should for all of your classes. Not just math, all classes. Okay, let's go with orange this time. Here we go. Okay, I know they're not very straight, but let's not worry too much about that. And let's start from, let's say, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this time, where are we starting? We're starting at -5. Titlop. Huh. And we have to go plus. Okay, so go to the right. Plus 7. Okay, we'll start here at -5 and go plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We end up at 2. Okay, so our answer is equal to 2. Positive. So if you think about this, we're at -5. If we have -5, if we had -5 plus 5, okay, this would be equal to 0, right? But we have -5 plus 7. Okay, so you go, if -5 plus 5 is 0, and plus 7 is 2 more. So you're 2 more after 0. So it's equal to 2, as we saw there. Okay, I hope this is okay for all of you. You should think in your mind, think about the number line, okay? Or write it down. It will help you. Let's do one more like this. Next question, let's go. -3 plus 6. Okay. Again, let's draw our number line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we start down here at, say, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so where are we starting? We are starting at -3, and it's plus 6. Plus 6, so we're going to the right 6. ไปด้านขวา 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, our answer is 3. Okay, I hope you all understand those now. I'm going to save this. In here, and that will also go into your classwork for today. So here, while I'm here, I must say to you all So let's have a look again at how much work people have done. Sorry, just to I can upload this afterwards. Sorry, I just want to show you now in our M1. So the people in here, so far we only have 17 students. I'm not sure, is this our 113 or 114 class that is in here in Google Classroom? Guys, you all need to join Google Classroom. This is very important. There's only one class in here. So there is one of your classes, either 113 or 114. Until now, you have sent me no work. Okay, I don't see any homework from you. That means you don't have any score. Okay, I know it's only our first week of school, but it's your first week of school. You should have sent all your homework. Okay. I showed you in the first lesson how to log into Google Classroom. I will show you now again. Okay. I understand it's your first week. I will be easy on you, no problem. But this week, this coming your first class now, when you watch this, you have to, dong, 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 log into Google Classroom. Join the classroom and you have to send your homework. ต้องส่งการบ้าน ถ้าไม่ส่งการบ้าน ไม่มีคะแนน You do not have points and you need your points. Okay, you want to have a good score อยากมีเกรดดีๆต้องส่งการบ้านทุกวัน Okay, so let me just help you here again just to break up the class. You need to go into Google Classroom and you need to put in this code. Could I please ask the teacher that is supervising, if this class has not added to Google Classroom, could you please help them? This is the code to get into this class. When you get in here, you will go to classwork and your lessons are here. Here we have lesson 1, okay? So of the 17 people that have joined from 113 or 114, not sure, 16 people have sent their work, which was brilliant. Thank you to all those 16 people. And you all have 10 points. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So there's one person that joined the class, but that has not sent it yet. And then there's one full class that has not yet joined. Okay. So just to let you see, look for your name here. If your name or email is not here, then you have not joined yet and you need to do so. ถ้าไม่เห็นชื่อตรงนี้ก็ไม่ได้อยู่ที่ Google Classroom แล้วต้องเข้ามาตอนนี้ก็การบ้านจากอาทิตย์ที่แล้วถ้าเข้ามาตรงนี้ lesson 1ถ้าทำการบ้านแล้วอาทิตย์ที่แล้วอยู่ในสมุดแล้วถ่ายรูปส่งตรงนี้ถ้าส่งแล้วที่จะเรียนจะดูก็ถูกแล้วถูกหมดไม่ใช่ถูกหมดถ้าทำดีๆก็จะให้คะแนนหมดให้คะแนนเต็ม Okay, lesson 1 ต้องส่ง lesson 2 nobody sent yet. Okay, I did not assign this until today. I forgot to click assign. So please send your homework here. And also in here, you will find the notes จะเห็นที่ที่จะเรียนทำในห้อง So if you're not sure what to do ทำไม่แน่ใจว่าทำยังไง you can see the notes in here, okay? They will all be here for you. Okay, please do that right now. If you're watching this class and you are not in Google Classroom, please do it now. Okay, thank you. Pause the video and do it now. Okay, we're just going to get back to our math work now. Okay, now, so just before there, we're doing examples like this. The first one we might have had, example 1 would be like 2 plus 3. So both positive numbers, right? Equals 5. Okay, we had, this is a positive number, this is a positive number, okay? Then I also showed you like this, if we had a negative number at the start, negative 3 plus 5. Okay, also very easy, negative 3 plus 5. The way I think about this, okay, we have two numbers, okay? We have negative 3, and plus 5. Okay. Which number is the bigger number? Okay, well, like, so we have, let's not look at the, don't look at the negative. Okay, done it. Look at the 3 and the 5. Which number is bigger? Yes, 5 is bigger. Right? Okay, so the plus number, 5 is plus and 3 is negative. The plus number is bigger. Okay, so that tells me straight away I know the answer. คำตอบจะไม่ติดลบ คำตอบจะเป็นบวก จะอยู่ด้านขวาของ number line. Okay, it's going to be on the right hand side of the number line. And then I'm going to think 5 is how much bigger than 3? 5 ใหญ่กว่า 3 เท่าไหร่5ก็ใหญ่กว่า 3 2. Okay, it's bigger by 2. ใหญ่กว่า 2 no? So our answer is going to be 2. Like, you can write plus 2 if you want. Okay, but it's 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do, it's going to get a little bit more difficult now. Next one I'm going to show you will be 3 plus negative 2. 3 บวกติดลบ 2. Okay. 3 plus negative 2. What do we do here? Okay. It's going to be a little bit more difficult, okay? But still easy. Okay, more difficult than normal, but still not very difficult, okay? Still quite easy. So first we're gonna use our number line. Go a nice orange number line. We'll keep it with black. Numbers in -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do we start? Yes, we're going to start at the number 3. Okay, start at 3. Now we have plus negative 2. Okay. If we had plus 2, ถ้าเป็นบวก 2, we go to the right. ไปด้านขวา no? If it was plus 2, we go 1, 2, this way. But this is plus negative 2. I've told you before, everything, if it's negative, you do the opposite. ถ้าติดลบ เราต้องทำตรงข้าม You have to do the opposite of the plus. Okay. So if we have plus minus 2, we have to think. We have to think like it's minus. ต้องคิดแบบเป็นลบ okay? Think like minus, okay? So really, you see plus minus, we're going to do minus, okay? เราจะลบ, okay? You have to minus. So we're going to go the opposite of before. We're going to go backwards. 1, 2. Okay, back 1, 2. Our answer is 1. Okay, so all we do when we have plus minus number, บวกติดลบ, you minus, okay? You go backward. Okay, let's try another one. What number we go for? Let's go with negative 5 plus negative 4. Okay, this will be in brackets. ต้องใส่วงเล็บ ถ้าเป็นบวกติดลบเลขติดลบ ต้องใส่วงเล็บ Okay, you have to put it in brackets. Okay, let's get our number line. Okay, what number will start from? I'll start from 0. Okay, well, negative 1, negative 2, 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, 11. Okay, where do we start? We start on this number. Okay, we're going to start at negative 5. We've plus negative 4, so we think คิดเป็นลบ. Okay, think like it's minus, which means we go back this way. We go to the left, we go backwards. Okay, so backwards 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is negative 9. Okay. I'm going to do a couple more. These ones, I'm not going to draw the number line. We're just going to do in our head. Okay. Few different questions. At least 5. Okay. Question 1, let's say 7 plus negative 4. Okay, 7 plus negative 4. So what am I going to think? I'm going to think like, so it's plus minus, plus negative. I'm going to think minus. Okay, so 7 minus 4 would be, anybody? 3. Very good. Next one, negative 2 ติดลบ 2 plus 6. Okay, again. So negative 2, and then we're going to plus 6. Okay. We don't have plus. This is not negative. The second number is not negative, so we're going to go to the right. Okay, it's just plus like normal. So this time we can count if we want. Think about negative 2 on the number line, and we're going to the right. Gadot by thenขวา. Okay, so you have negative 2. We're going to go plus 6. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Okay. If you want with this, another way you can think about this here, you can switch them around. Switch them around if you want, okay? Salap gan. Aja kitง่ายกว่าถ้าสลับก็จะมี6 ลบ 2 6 ลบ 2 ก็ 4 okay? The same thing. You can think like that if you want. Okay? คิดแบบนี้อาจจะง่ายกว่าจริงๆที่เฉลี่ยก็คิดแบบนั้น I see negative 2 plus 6 ในสมองก็คิดว่า6 ลบ 2 เท่ากับ 4 Okay, now we go 5 plus negative 4 plus 2. Okay, 3 numbers. First of all, 5 plus negative 4 plus negative, so think minus. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, 1, so then we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. Next one, negative 4 plus 10 plus negative 3 plus 1. Okay, 4 numbers. Woo! กำลังจะยากแล้ว Okay. Negative 4 plus 10. Let's do this first. Negative 4 plus 10. I'm going to think to myself 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. 10 ลบ 4 is 6. Okay. So we've got 6. Now we have 6 plus negative 3. 6 บวกติดลบ 3 คิดเป็น 6 ลบ 3. Okay. Think like 6 minus 3. Oh. Okay. 6 minus 3 is 3. Yes, 3. So we have 3 here. 3 plus 1 equals, 4. And number 5. Let's say we got 20 plus negative 4 plus negative 10 plus negative 2. Okay. So this time we're going to think 20 plus negative, so think minus. Okay, so 20 minus 4. 20 ลบ 4 would be 16. Again, plus minus, so think minus. 16 minus 10, 6. Plus minus, think minus, don'tคิดเป็นลบ. 6 minus 2 equals, it's 4 again. Okay. If it seems difficult, if you think it's difficult, okay, no problem. It can be difficult for some people at first. You want to make it easy? อยากทำให้ง่ายไหม? Practice. ต้องฝึก. Do lots of questions. Practice. That will make it easy for you. Okay? So that's what you're going to do now. You're going to practice now for me. So in Google Classroom here, so first let me save this. Save as. Okay, so in your Google Classroom, again, as I said, get into Google Classroom, please. Okay. Let's go in here, edit. So there are 2 things here for your homework already. This video will be uploaded now in a moment. I'm going to add these as for your notes. Okay, so if you need to look at what I did in class, there will be here for you. And here is your homework. Okay, 20 questions here. And 20 questions here. Okay, you can do them here on your phone and write them in there for me. Okay, thanks everybody. So remember, things you need to do. If you're not in Google Classroom, you need to do that straight away. First thing, okay, get into Google Classroom. You need to send your homework from lesson 1 and 2. Okay, I need that. Here we are, lesson 1 and lesson 2. You should have your homework already finished. You need to send it there to Google Classroom and then get on lesson 3. Okay? Good job, guys. I trust you can do it. If you need any help, don't worry about asking. You can ask the teachers to help you. Ask the teachers in the office. It's no problem. I will be back soon. And I'm very sorry I'm not there to teach you properly. Okay? Thank you all. See you soon.